In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable secure DNS on Microsoft Edge. This setting can help enhance your browsing security and privacy, so let's walk through this together step by step. First, let's start by opening your Microsoft Edge browser. Once you have Microsoft Edge open, the next thing you'll want to do is direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. You'll see three dots arranged vertically. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. In this drop-down menu, you'll find various options. But what we're interested in is near the end. Click on Settings. This will take you to the Settings page of Microsoft Edge, where we'll make the necessary changes to enhance your browser's security. Now that you're on the Settings page, look to the left side of your screen. Here, there's a list of various settings categories. You want to click on Privacy, Search, and Services. This section is crucial as it encompasses all the vital elements related to your browsing privacy and security. Once you're in Privacy, Search, and Services, you need to scroll or look further down the page to find the Security section. Click on this option to access the specific security settings we'll be working with today. Here comes the pivotal part of our guide. In the Security section, you'll see an option labeled Use Secure DNS. You may notice that it's currently turned off, indicated by a gray toggle. What you need to do is click on the toggle button to activate it. When Secure DNS is enabled, the toggle will turn to a blue color, indicating that it's now actively securing your DNS queries. And there you have it, that's all you need to do. With Secure DNS enabled, your browsing experience is now safer, as this feature helps shield you from unwanted intrusions by encrypting your lookups, offering an extra layer of security while you surf the web. By ensuring this setting is activated, you're taking an essential step towards maintaining your online privacy. If you ever need to revisit this setting for any reason, you'll know exactly where to find it and how to enable or disable it to suit your needs. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more confident navigating the security settings of Microsoft Edge. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and take care.